Corpus Christi, Texas. Hurricane Harvey's been here, as you can see, and the damage is extensive. And everybody's just been kind of waiting for everybody else to get down here to tell you how it looks. Well, who other to tell you how it looks than me? I'm here, day one after the action, because I want to be a part of the solution. So if you want to know, did Hurricane Harvey do much damage out here? All the way 10 to 15 miles from the coast it did damage. And, you know, sort of looks like that. Hurricane Harvey's been here. When are you going to be here? Hope everyone's having a good weekend.